Hi, I'm Brian Williams, Livestock Product Specialist with Case IH, and today we're here at our RB566 baler. Just going to talk to you a little bit today about the baler and some of the changes we've made. So we really focused on serviceability, dependability, and efficiency. So some of the things we've done, we've redesigned our rollers in this unit. So the rollers are a single one-piece unit on our fixed roller and our stationary roller. Longevity is going to be key with those. The amount of bales you'll be able to get on them without having to do anything with them has greatly improved. This particular baler has a bale weight system on it, so our customers are able to get weights of their bales on the move. They will not have to stop to do those. Also, this baler has telematics, so they can tell where the bale is in the field, where their bales have been dropped, the weight and the moisture of those bales. We've also made some changes to the pickup. We now on our windguard, we have a double roller system, which is benefiting our customers that are baling heavier crops like corn stalks. It'll push those crops down, allow them to feed into the baler much better. So it's going to have increased efficiency. Those are just a few of the things we've done to this baler to make it better. If you're familiar with our balers, it's also got a new paint scheme. So it's got a red frame, red pickup, red tailgate. So one of the things with that red pickup, we're able to see that crop actually flowing into the baler much, much better. Also, these units are now all ISO units. So with your ISO class tractors, they're pretty much plug and play. For more information, go to caseih.com or always contact your local dealer.